Yes, requesting the umpires to take their positions. Yes, all set. Rahul Jha on strike. Superstars is at the number 3 position at the moment. 4 matches, 2 wins, 2 losses. Edmonton is at 6th position. Both the teams have lost 2 matches each. So the team that wins this match goes one up over the other. It's only about winning the match and getting those 2 crucial points. Rahul and Ayush. Jalaj opening the bowling from the combox end. Very well fielded, superbly done. That is Ritesh. I am also into day number 3 and I have started recognizing most of the frontline players. Terrific atmosphere. Once again, a good evening and a warm welcome to the turbocharged EPL Season 5. So far it's been a seamless execution. The organizers will be more than happy. No event can be a 10 on 10 event. There's always room for improvement. We all realize that. Sam against the run of tide is bowled the second over. 8 for no loss. Being the champion team, being the defending champions, they've got so much at stake. They've got a reputation to hold on to. And that would have been the perfect delivery to Rahul. He picks up a wicket. Definitely this man, Samir Patkar, is the man with the golden arm. He's a wicket-taking bowler. He's got that natural gift. और इसी वजह से उसे एक्स फैक्टर प्लेयर कहते हैं. After the subtraction, it is 6 for 1. Rahul Jha is the glue that binds the whole team together. In comes the explosive player, Captain Dhaval Modi. 2 ओवर के बाद 6 रन एक विकेट के नुकसान पर। The orthodox cover drive, the crisp cover drive. Very good running, very good running. Eleven for 1. Ten for 1. एक गेंद आनी बाकी है ओवर नंबर 3 में। वेरी टाइडी ओवर। They have come upstairs again and they are already celebrating, so you never know. Jayendra Gupta will be a very happy man now that he's come to the top of the table. Nike Warriors, they occupy the number 1 position on the table at the moment. The EPL Season 5 fever has gripped the whole society. One of the most awaited events on the annual calendar of Exquisite CHSL. A swell job done by the cricket committee of Exquisite. Fantastic job. So much of detailing has gone into the planning of the event and the execution is perfect. Each and every run matters, and that is why this is such a big battle. The swords are out. तलवारें खींची है दोनों ही टीम्स ने. बहुत ही तगड़ा मुकाबला, बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण मैच है. दोनों ही टीम्स ने अपने 4 मैचेस में से 2 मैचेस जीते, 2 हारे हैं. एक टीम तो ये मैच हारेगी, तो वो टीम थोड़ी सी नीचे जाएगी, और इस मैच को जो भी टीम जीतेगी वो काफी ऊपर जाएगी पॉइंट्स टेबल पर. Yes, so whenever the umpires are in a fix, and if there is even an iota of doubt, it has to go to the batsman. That is the traditional way of looking at things. So many of us are from that old school of thoughts. Chale, back to the game. Sam to Rahul. Thirteen for 1. Once again into the box. The score at the moment is 17. This is the super over. Oh, we are staring at -10. The call from the umpire is not out. इस सिचुएशन के लिए तो कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजर प्लान नहीं कर सकता है. They have taken a review because maybe they feel that the non-striking player was out of the crease when the ball was bowled. Yes, the captain has rightly raised the issue. Only the captain can raise any this kind of an issue.
Bat was inside. दोनों पैर अंदर रखना चाहिए। नॉन स्ट्राइकर का पूछ रहा है ना?
आप अंदाजा लगाइए कि एक रन कितना मायने रखता है। ये EPL 5 है, एक एक रन के लिए, एक एक विकेट के लिए जद्दोजहद होगी। ये EPL सीजन 5 का ये नशा सर चढ़कर बोलता हुआ। अगले मैच के दोनों टीम्स अपने प्लेइंग 9 को टिक करते हुए always as cool as a cucumber, Rahul. And Dhaval Modi can be a total reverse of what Rahul is. One is an introvert, the other is an extrovert. They complement each other so well. So that is an ideal batting partnership. Partnership is not just about scoring runs, it's about complementing each other. The score after 4 overs, 23 for 1. चार ओवर के बाद 23 रन, एक विकेट के नुकसान पर। The tempers are flying. Everybody wants to win, but yes, we are never going to be crossing that fine line. We will always uphold the spirit of the game. Modi to face Aman. The street smart shot. In total control, declared 2. He seems to be in good touch. Tanish, he will learn only with experience as he matures, as he move ahead. That was an unnecessary throw. And that excitement has to be controlled. It has got to be channelized the right way. Tanish is one of the better young players in my book. He's got so much of promise. And no ball. $28 for 1. Very good running between the wickets. Very smart running. 30 for 1. Dhaval is looking to provide that required impetus. He's the more aggressive of the two batters. And in this kind of a scenario, Rahul is looking to give most of the strike to Dhaval. At the moment, Rahul Jha is playing the second fiddle. He's letting Modi take over for the moment. The situation does not demand both the batters going hammer and tongs. 5 over ke baad 31. 31 for 1 after 5. Ankur into the attack. Ankur. Quite the right call. .34 with that extra run. Three declared runs. 37 over number 6. 3 balls to go. और 15 गेंद आनी बाकी है. 15 गेंद और भी आनी बाकी है. 37 रन केवल एक विकेट के नुकसान पर. एक बहुत ही अनुकूल स्थिति में. They are in the driver's seat. 39 it is. 39. .40. .41. 5.5 42. ये आक्रामक रवैया जो टीम सुपरस्टार्स ने दर्शाया है वो मुसीबत का सबब बना हुआ है टीम एडमिंटन के लिए. Edmonton will have to be ultra positive. At the moment, they are in the driver's seat team, Superstars. End of 6 overs, 43 for 1. 6 के बाद 43 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. The need of the hour for team Edmonton is a couple of wickets. They need to break this flourishing partnership. 43 for 1 after 6. Rahul Jai is on to 18 of 17 balls and Dhaval Modi on to 16 of 15 balls. Oh yes, they get Modi. They will be happy to see his back because he was playing with such a fantastic intent. That good innings comes to an abrupt end. Back in the dugout. -5. The new man in Jaishil, 39. A 40 with that single. कम से कम 50 से 55 रनों का मलबा खड़ा करना चाहेगी टीम सुपरस्टार्स. बहुत ही क्रूशियल मैच है. Score at the end of 7 overs, 43 for 2. A 43 for 2 after 7. Aman to Rahul. Clean ball to -5. He is absolutely shell-shocked. Truly beaten. Beaten all ends up lock, stock and barrel. चारों खाने चीत किया जयशील को. Rahul is still going strong. At 39 after the deduction. -5. In comes Saurabh. सौरभ इस पूरे टीम की एक बहुत ही अहम कड़ी है बतौर एक ऑलराउंडर. एडमेंटाइन भी काफी सकारात्मक नजर आती हुई भी, अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलती हुई एडमेंटाइन. They are up against a fantastic team like Superstars, but they are not down. They're fighting. This will not help the cause. A free hit. Sometimes you need to purposefully slow down the pace of the game. Sometimes. Sometimes when the game is not going your way, just got to be a little street smart, slow down the pace of the game and hope for the best. 41. Rahul on to 22 of 22 balls. Very well fielded by Sid. We will see Sid coming in to open the batting as they chase down this fighting total. Will it be Tanish and Siddharth as always? We got to wait. Oh, that was off the outside edge. And almost Sam was in that crouching position. He was ready for that catch but couldn't pouch it. End of 8 overs, 42. The set target 43. Definitely, it's a fighting total. It's not going to be easy. But yes, it is achievable as well. The first 2-3 overs will hold the key. How they take advantage of the fielding restrictions will go along when deciding which way the match goes. 48 balls and 43 runs to win the match. Yes, requesting the umpires to take a little extra charge. We are behind schedule. थोड़ा सा हम 10-12 मिनट पीछे है. Two more matches to go after this. We are in for a long haul tonight. Till the time the cricket is good, the quality of cricket is good, the standard is good, we don't mind staying back. We need just a good game of cricket. Samir is an interesting man, always like the swag that he's got. We have seen a couple of upset victories today. So nobody is the clear favorite. Nobody remains the clear favorite as we are moving into the business end of the tournament. The teams have shuffled here and there after the auctions. Quite a few teams have been able to regain keep their main players in the flock, but quite a few players have shifted bases. So that gives the edge. धनलक्ष्मी ग्रुप का तहे दिल से आभार ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द ओसी. Mr. Dipesh Nigam, a big thank you coming your way. And also big thank you to the team owners for coming on board. All the team owners, the men's teams, the women teams and the kids teams. The banners that you are watching inside are the team owners. And right in front alongside the EPL banner, Dhanalakshmi Group branding, they are the sponsor of the tournament. The rest of the banners, they are the owners. It's good to see that the officials, the umpires have made a very assertive presence whenever they have been in the middle. They remain to be the bosses out there. So they have to act like one. They have to act like a boss. This same team of umpires, the same panel of umpires, so one or two changes here and there. They have been consistently, they have been associated with the EPL over the last few editions, and that is exactly why we get to see this consistency. They're absolutely well aware of each and every rule and regulation. Shaili Jha and Vicky, they have been too good. Scoring can be a very tedious job, very monotonous. Not everybody wants to be at the scoring desk. We all feel that it is such a boring job. But yes, nowadays in the modern day cricket, this can be such a good career. Playtime. Jaishil to Sid. Tanish and Sid, the opening pair for Edmontine. Well timed and well fielded by Saurabh. Initially Saurabh was going to his left. What? At the very last moment he realized that the ball is coming to his right. He recovered in good time to stop that boundary. So well done. The trademark shot of his has got to be a little careful because he's such a tall man and he's got such a big reach. Whenever he goes back into the batting crease, there's always a chance of being hit wicket. So that is where he's got to be careful. He's got to pick the right length delivery to play that tap shot. All the bowlers know that that is one of his favorite shots. So they will be looking to bowl a little fuller length to him. This is all about making your strategy. The game plan has to be in place. You got to have a direction. Well timed, piercing the field in the deep. This time, no opportunity for Saurav to stop it. Just what the doctor ordered. They are up and away with that boundary. The game on, the match on. Into double figures, 10 for no loss. When you can play such good shots down the wicket, why do you want to be cheeky? Oh, this could be curtains, unfortunately. The ball stayed in his hands. He wanted to throw it, but it got stuck into his hands. Fortunately, Tanish survives. They had all the time in the world to effect that run out. They were a little slow to realize where the ball was. The ball was behind the bowler. If you watch it in replay, that gives enough time for Tanish to come back into his home. सुरक्षित अपने घर वापस, बिल्कुल महफूज, कोई खतरा नहीं. 12 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के, जबकि दूसरे ओवर की एक गेंद बाकी है. सम्मानजनक शुरुआत, काफी क्रिकेट खेलना बाकी है. Still early days. This is exactly the length to which he can tap out of the box. 2 ओवर के बाद 13 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के. ये जो बिना कोई नुकसान है वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो जो 0 विकेट्स कॉलम में है. देखिए इस तरह की शुरुआत अब टीम सुपरस्टार्स की थिंक टैंक को मजबूर करती हुई सोचने पर. अब गेंद को थमाया है कप्तान धवल मोदी के पास. The two youngsters have got Team Adamantine off to a reasonably tidy start. Not an absolute fantastic start, but it is a tidy start. There is no doubt about it. Lots of cricket is left to be played in this game. You never know what happens. Back to the bowler. That single takes the score to 16. Oh, that is a 6. Siddharth joining the party. That was a good comeback delivery, but Seed was almost waiting for that kind of a delivery. 3 ओवर के बाद 23 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के. After 323. 30 गेंदों में केवल और 20 रन बनाने हैं. केवल तो सिर्फ कहने के लिए है, और 20 रन भी बनाना एक चुनौती होगी. 30 balls and 20 runs to win the match. The ground dynamics, the tailor-made rules and regulations make the EPL Season 5 so very interesting. Jayashil continues. No ball. 2 रन्स मिले हैं. फ्री हिट भी प्राप्त होती हुई तनिष को. 25 आफ्टर 3. 3 ओवर के बाद 25 रन्स बन चुके हैं. 30 में 18 बनाने हैं दोस्तों. $29 balls and 17 to win. Both the batters have put a price on the wicket. अपनी विकेट पर दाम लगाया है दोनों ही बल्लेबाजों ने. इतनी आसानी से अपनी विकेट नहीं देने वाले हैं. सेट हो चुके हैं अच्छी रिदम में दोनों बल्लेबाज. Sid and Tanish. Driven downtown for a single. Well bowled. At the very last moment, Tanish had to change his mind. $28. Sir, 1 ball to go. All the 3 scorers have confirmed that 1 ball is left. All the 3. Thank you. 3.5 overs, 28 for no loss. With that single, the score after 4 overs, 29. The target is 43, so they need another 14 runs of 24 balls. $14 to win of 23 balls. 23 में 14. Savrab manages to put the ball on the edge of the mat. Well bowled. One of the very best bowlers in the tournament, that is Savrab. That was the half volley and that needed to be put away. यही तो मैच टेम्पलेट है कि अच्छी गेंदों को हल्के हाथों से खेलो, स्ट्राइक को रोटेट करो, लेकिन जब कभी लूज गेंद मिलती है प्रहार करो. Both the youngsters are giving such a good account of themselves. They are making a big statement here. Three declared runs. End of 5 overs, 37 for no loss. It's the super over. Obviously, at the moment, the crowd support is to be the underdog team, Edmonton. Everybody's cheering on these two youngsters who are really giving a very good account of themselves. The boys are becoming men. They're turning around the corner, taking their game from large to extra large. 5 के बाद 37, 6 रन्स चाहिए 18 गेंदों में. At the moment, both these youngsters have answers to everything that Team Superstars dishes out to them. Well fielded by Modi. Fortune favoring the brave. -2 because it's the super over. A tension in the air. दोनों ही कैंप्स में बराबर बराबर की आग लगी हुई है. Oh, he had 3 stumps to aim at. At the moment, everything that the youngsters are touching is getting converted into gold. 5.5. Score after 6 overs is 41. बारह गेंद आनी बाकी है और 2 रन चाहिए. 2 रन बनाने के बाद they'll have to hold on to their fort as well. अपना किला भी तो भी सुरक्षित रखना है 8 ओवर्स तक. So that is the crux, that is the bone of contention. 42. They have taken the review for the waist high. Full toss, the waist high no ball. That is the review. No harm done. The scores are level. 1 minute, 1 minute. They've accomplished the target. Yep. The first dot for Tanish is what the scorers are claiming. What a swashbuckling partnership. What a rare guard action by the young guns. Super cricket. At the moment, the team superstars can just watch in amazement. Just look at the way they have chased down the total. That is incredible. 48. After how many overs? They are 5 runs ahead. And they are exhibiting titanium nerves. The precision is as good as a surgeon. Very precise in their approach. They set up a good game plan, and the best part was the execution. Saurabh, can he produce some magic here? Will we see a twist in the tail? Will there be any further drama in this match? Just look at the field set. Everybody is zeroing on to Sid. They're kind of gerawing him. It's been referred into the third umpire's room. Not out. Clean bowled. They wanted some magic and Saurabh obliges. He produces that Kodak moment, the magic moment on his way back to the pavilion seat after having played a gem of a knock. Of 43. They required 43 to win, and at the moment the score is 43. The 43 was the target. Am I right? Shaili madam, 43 was the target. 43 to win and they are on 43 at the moment. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. One minute, sir. Good to go. चलिए, sorry. Ritesh is like a wall. ये बंदा बहुत ही strong है in the mind, Ritesh. अभी भी दिलचस्पी थोड़ी सी बरकरार है, अभी भी वो टेंशन बना हुआ है. ऐसा नहीं है कि इस मैच को जीत लिया and they can relax. Tension is there in the air still. Oh, there you go. There you go. I mentioned earlier, you cannot afford to relax. A twist in the tail. Do not go away. Buckle up. Buckle up. Do not go away. This is prime time drama. The tee-up is hitting out of the roof. What drama. What a twist in the tail. So, अब score आ चुका है 38. दो में 4 चाहिए. 2 balls and 4 to win. Oh my word. 5 to win. The magic man, the magician, Saurabh. This is unbelievable stuff. This is most incredible. I always keep mentioning it's not about what the champions win, but how they win it. That is more incredible. इसे कहते हैं मुंह में से निवाला छीन लेना. बिल्कुल मुंह में से निवाला छीन लिया है. Unbelievable character. But yes, team Edmonton take a bow. That was a terrific cricket match. और इसी वजह से हम कहते हैं कि you should never leave the job for the others to be completed. Siddharth, after that good innings, he had no business to get out like that. The good work that you get started, you got to give the finishing touch to that work.